Hey folks, this is Nandu here from DigitalXC. We are starting a new video log series on future of enterprise service delivery. In today's episode, I'm going to talk about digital service model. What is digital service model? Digital service model is a next-gen delivery model that enables a consumer-grade experience within an enterprise. When you order a taxi through Uber or do an online banking transaction or order some goods in Amazon, or book your favorite vacation stay in Airbnb, you are consuming a digital service. Most of your services and interactions in the consumer world are already digitized. Enabling a seamless consumer experience is the core DNA in the B2C world. We wanted to see if we can draw some inspiration and some best practices from the B2C world and apply it inside an enterprise. Let's start first by defining what is consumer grade experience. We researched a bunch of B2C digital companies to see what are some of the common attributes that span multiple diverse companies within this industry. So what we observed was across most of these companies, these products were productized, they were offered direct to user, available on demand, these services were outcome focused, they were zero touch, zero wait, and most of them have adopted a pay-as-you-go model. And collectively, right, all of these together enabled a consumer grade experience. Let's double click this a little bit. So in digital world, your services are your new products. Services are packaged in the form of a product. Uber provides taxi as a service, Netflix, movie as a service, and Airbnb, hotels as a service. And all these services are offered to users as service catalogs. Service equal to catalog in the digital world. Catalogs are the basic unit of transaction and they are the center of your digital service delivery universe. These services are offered direct to user. There is no concept of a middleman or an agent or a service desk through which you need to go. And they are available to you as a self-service. These services are available on demand. You can access any service, anywhere, anytime, and you have the flexibility to customize the services to suit your needs. These services are outcome focused. Let's say you're going on a vacation, you wouldn't book your flight and hotel and car separately. You would book your complete vacation on one go, and this is available to you at a click and with the ability to go customize the vacation to your needs. So all the digital services are also zero touch. You rarely ever interact with a person in a digital native company. That's because most of these services have been designed and engineered to be zero touch. These services are delivered at the speed of a request. You have near instant delivery, and in case there is a logistical component involved in the delivery, these companies have again cracked it and come out with innovative models where they are able to significantly speed up the delivery. An example of that is Amazon Prime Now. As a customer, you only choose the services that you need and pay for what you use. So collectively, all these attributes together enable a consumer grade experience, and we call this a digital service model. We firmly believe that digital service model is the future of enterprise service delivery. It's the next realm. Most enterprises are today in a managed service model, which is a highly processized, people-centric delivery, and they are in the midst of a multi-decadal shift into a newer delivery model, which is the digital service model. This is not an easy shift. To move to a digital service model, enterprises need to take a maturity leap in their service delivery approach. They need to come with a product mindset and adopt a product management and product engineering approach to developing and delivering services. They also need a new set of tools and new skills within their team to go and deliver it. So we will be covering this in detail in the next session. In the next session, I'll talk about the differences between a managed service model and digital model, how this impacts an enterprise, what is in it for the various stakeholders, and what are some of the benefits. So that's pretty much what I had for today. So I want you guys to chime in with your thoughts on whether you see the same thing that we see within an enterprise, and what are your users and your customers asking you, and what is your approach to transform delivery within your organization. And it would also be great if you could provide your views on what else could be part of your digital service model. Thank you very much and catch you next week. Bye-bye.